Hi everyone, I'm Andrea with Duluth Pack, and I'm part of the marketing team here. And today we're coming to you live from the Duluth Pack flagship store in Duluth, Minnesota. And today we are talking about the multi-uses of our bags and all the different chapters of your life. So whether that's while you're in school, to early career, to becoming a parent or a main caretaker, to eventually using the bags on adventures and later on past being a caregiver. So a couple of the bags I wanted to focus on as a mom of a young toddler and as another one on the way that I love and I personally use are the Highlander tote, the convertible jet setter tote, and then the mini belt bag from Duluth Pack. As you can see, all three have very different styles and they all have different sizes, but they're all really crucial in my everyday life of being a parent and what I pack, whether I'm going to the store or whether I'm going on a trip. These all have wonderful functional uses and are great for organization. So the three main things when I'm looking for specifically, as we're going to call it a diaper bag or an everyday carry bag with a child, are functionality, organization, and then aesthetics and style. So I'm going to focus on the features and the benefits of each of these products and what I primarily use them for, and then how I pack all these with a small child. What I do want to focus on though, what's great about Duluth Pack that's very different than I would say the typical diaper bag market is that our bags are meant to last. So you buy it once, you have it for life. All of our products come with a lifetime guarantee on all craftsmanship and hardware. So that includes our grommets, our zippers, our sewing seams, you name it, we will fix that under the craftsmanship and hardware. And most of our repairs are second and or third generation. So mostly the diaper bag industry outside of Duluth Pack, you buy it, you maybe use it for a couple years and then you throw it away. And that's not sustainable. And what I find really cool is the bags that I am using today for my children as an everyday carry, I can then pass along for them to use in their lifetime. So the next bag I'm going to talk about that we have here at Duluth Pack that's a great multi-use bag, but I also use as a mom and a full-time caretaker, is the mini belt bag. So first off, what I love about this bag is it's really small, it's compact, but it can be used for multi ways and you can actually style it different ways too. The main way that I like to wear it is crossbody because I do have a young toddler, so I like to be able to hold him. So I have him secure. I also have my hands free, so whether I have to open a car door, if I'm pushing a cart or grabbing something, I have everything I need right here. I have my child and I still have a free hand. But something that a lot of people overlook that's great about the mini belt bag is that if you are a parent with a very young child, if it's an infant or a young toddler, and you are doing a front carry of your child across your front, what's great about the mini belt bag is you can actually wear this lower on your hips. So you can wear it where it's not going to get in the way of your child's safety at all or compromise any of the carrier, but you can wear it lower. So again, you have that hands-free accessibility. Your child is safe, but also you have everything right at hand. So what's great about the mini belt bag is, before we even dive into the interior, is that you can, of course, tighten or loosen the fit of the mini belt bag however you choose to wear it. So if you want to choose to wear it where maybe the belt bag's on your back, again, crossbody as I also choose to do so, you can do it either way, however you see fit, or if you want to put it across like kind of a traditional fanny pack style, you can fit it that way. But what I love about it, again, as a parent, is I love the zip closure here, so I know whatever I'm putting in my mini belt bag is going to be very secure. And then on top of it too, we have that rugged 15-ounce canvas construction. So what's great about it with Duluth Pack products is that you buy it once, you have it for life. And with our products, they look so much better over time and the more that you use them. So as it patinas, it looks a lot more beautiful. And then we do have our leather logo here as well. So what's fantastic about Duluth Pack products is that they're all guaranteed for life on craftsmanship and hardware. So if you ever have issues with our zippers, grommets, rivets, snaps, anything like that, sewing seams, we will take care of it for life, and most of our repairs are second and or third generation. All right, so I'm going to be talking about the mini belt bag here from Duluth Pack and how I use this as a mom on the go with a toddler and another on the way. This one right here is our limited edition natural canvas. As you can see, we actually have our tag here on the side rather than the leather logo. So if you prefer this style, definitely get it now as it is limited edition. But we do have our standard mini belt bag available in the black canvas and with the leather logo on the front. What I love about it, of course, is the functionality of a zipper top. So you open that up, and what's great about this bag is it's just one large compartment. So as a parent on the go, I'm just gonna be carrying some of my essentials and go-to products that I need, especially if I'm needing to be hands-free. I typically wear this bag if I am bringing my child to some type of class, if I'm going into the convenience store or grocery store and I don't need an entire diaper bag. This is a wonderful option to have, but you can also use this as some type of hiking bag, especially if you're using a baby carrier on the front or the back. You can actually use this crossbody or as a lower kind of traditional fanny pack style. But I'm gonna show you some of the products that I can fit very comfortably in this smaller bag. So first off, I like to have gum. I'm gonna have my child's snack, my phone, I'm gonna have my car keys on, and I also do have another hand sanitizer available, along with an additional hand sanitizer. I like to have a hair tie for myself, and I can still comfortably zip this up while either doing a claw clip on the bag or on the strap here, and I am ready to go. So this again is the mini belt bag from Duluth Pack. You're gonna buy this once, you are going to have it for life. It is comparable in price to all the others in the market, but this one is going to last you for a lifetime and more. And again, it's a great convenient bag for on the go, everyday life, but also great if you are a mom or a main caretaker and you need a bag to use. Also, my husband will use this bag as well too.